Dear students of class 6, today we will read one very interesting and funny poem, and the name of the poem is The Quarrel, written by Eleanor Farzio. So what is quarrel? What do you mean by quarrel? Jhagarna, right? That you sometimes do when you are here in your home. Sometimes you quarrel with your brother or sister, elder brother, elder sister. Sometimes you're with your mom and others. But that is not right. You should not do that. But generally you do. Am I right? But you should not do that. The quarrel. It is common for brothers and sisters to quarrel. Right? Brothers and sisters, they quarrel. It's common sight. Although sometimes they may not even able to say why they quarrel. Sometimes you also cannot say why you are quarreling, why you quarrel. But how long do such quarrels last? For how long? For 1 hour, for 2 hours, for 3 hours, for 4 hours, for maximum for 1 day. That's all. And how do they end? How do that quarrel end? Sometimes your mom helps, sometimes your father or your dad helps, sometimes your grandma, sometimes your grandfather, sometimes uncle, sometimes aunt. They help to mitigate, or sometimes you mitigate. So we will read the poem. It's a very easy poem. So I quarreled with my brother. The poet is saying that I quarreled with my brother. I don't know what about. One thing led to another. So the poet quarreled with his brother, and the poet doesn't know what about. What is the reason behind the quarrel? And one thing led to another. So one thing led to another. So you started to quarrel with one subject, and that led to another. And somehow we failed. Sometimes and somehow they quarreled. And the start of it was slight, very slight reason, right? And the end of it was strong. But at last it was very much violent, dangerous, right? A strong reason. The end. He said he was right, and I knew he was wrong. So the poet's brother said he was right, and the poet knew he was wrong. So that is the reason behind this quarrel. We hated one another. The poet and the poet's brother, they hated one another. The afternoon turned black. Black means without any happiness, without any enjoyment. That's why black. Then suddenly my brother thumped me on my back. Thump means hit me. Hit hard on my back. And said, "Oh, come along. Oh, come here. We cannot go on all night. We cannot continue. Continue this fight, this quarrel all night." I was in the wrong. The poet was in the wrong, so he was in the right. I was right. And in this way, the quarrel that was mitigated. Right. So with your partner, you have to guess. Somehow we fell out. What is the meaning of fell out? Turned black. What is the meaning? So one thing led to another. The start of it was slight. The end of it was strong. Afternoon turned black. Thumped on the back. Discuss with your partner what is the lines means. To write down these things and describe a recent quarrel that you have had with your brother or sister or friend. How did it start? What did you quarrel about? And how did it end? So you have to write. That's all. Thank you.